obey him and everything?
I do, but I don't really.
It's okay. Everything is one step at a time only. I'm not asking you to build one. You have partners? Okay. And if you knew he wanted you to do something, would you try?
Very well.
But would you try? Okay. So there's not an angel out here that you could see. If they are, you want to try. There's one step you take, then you take another and another. Any begins by the step to get out the door. You're trained on a plane, on a car, but still you had to take the first step out of the house. I took that first step. I'm going. Here, look at my foot. It moved. There are two simple steps. And if you listen carefully, you'll understand why. Well, regardless of how messed up my life is, that's another story. But there is God. The second thing is, I want to do things the way He wants me to do it. Again, regardless of how I find myself, to have my good relation with Him. If I can see ready, those two steps are very, very important. In Arabic, they're like this: Ashhadu la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu Muhammad Rasulullah. The word Muhammad is in there. Why? Because if I find anything from Muhammad that's authentic, he really said it or taught it, I'm going to try